Hello friends, the best way to prevent cold start problems. The best way to avoid such problem is to avoid starting a cold engine. To do this you can do the following. Insulate the engine with a hood. Stock up on a starter charger. Install device for heating engine oil and fuel systems. Equip the engine with automatic heater. All this of course require financial cost, but on the other hand, you will not have to perform a cold start of the engine and repair the power unit ahead of time. Sometimes it's even more expensive from the financial side, despite the high cost of equipment for autonomous engine heating. You can reduce engine wear during cold start by taking care of this need to advance. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.